When choosing an RV, the exterior design and construction play a significant role in your overall experience. Let's break down the common RV exterior materials, their pros and cons, and provide real-world examples to help you visualize your options. Number 1. Aluminum siding. Aluminum siding is a lightweight and cost-effective option commonly found on entry-level or budget-friendly RVs. It consists of aluminum panels attached to a wood or steel frame. The pros is that they're lightweight, easier to tow or drive, which is great for fuel efficiency. They're cost-effective, generally less expensive than other materials. Durability against impact, resistant to dents from small rocks or hail. Easy repairs. Individual panels can be replaced if damaged. Some of the cons. Their corrugated look. Some people find the ridged appearance less modern or sleek. They are susceptible to rust and corrosion if not properly maintained. Aluminum can corrode over time. Less insulation. Offers less thermal and sound insulation compared to fiberglass. Now, on to number 2, the fiberglass exteriors. Fiberglass exteriors are sleek, durable, and often found on mid-range to high-end RVs. These RVs are usually built with laminated fiberglass over an aluminum or wood frame. Some of the pros. They have a modern appearance. They are smooth and shiny, which gives RVs a sleek, polished look. They have better insulation. It offers superior thermal and sound insulation compared to aluminum. Durability. They are resistant to corrosion, fading, and rust. Easier cleaning. The smooth surface makes it simple to clean and maintain. Improved aerodynamics. The sleek design improves fuel efficiency. Some of the cons. They are a higher cost, generally more expensive than aluminum-sided RVs. Difficult repairs. Damage to fiberglass often requires professional repairs. Prone to delamination. If water seeps into the fiberglass, it can cause the material to separate from the frame. Number 3, full body paint. Full body paint is a premium feature often found on high-end Class A motorhomes. This finish involves painting the entire RV with automotive-grade paint. Pros: luxurious aesthetic, gives a high-end custom look. UV resistance, better protection from sun damage, preventing fading and cracking. Durability, high-quality paint can last for years with minimal fading or chipping. Cons: high cost, adds significantly to the overall price of the RV. Special maintenance, requires specific care products and occasional waxing. Composite materials. Composite exteriors are made from advanced materials like Asdel, which are lightweight, durable, and resistant to water damage. Pros: water resistance. Composite panels don't absorb water, reducing the risk of rot or mold. Lightweight. Reduces overall weight, making towing easier. Eco-friendly. Some composite materials are made from recycled materials. Cons: cost, typically more expensive than traditional aluminum or fiberglass. Availability is limited to certain manufacturers and models. 5. Molded fiberglass shells. Molded fiberglass shells are seamless one-piece constructions found in specialty brands like Airstream or Casita. Pros: seamless design, virtually eliminates leaks because there are fewer seams. Durable and long-lasting. Molded fiberglass can last decades with proper care. Retro appeal, timeless design that holds resale value well. Cons: high price, comes with a premium price tag. Limited space. Molded fiberglass designs often have smaller interiors due to their compact structure. Specialized repairs. Damage can be tricky and expensive to repair. Key considerations when choosing an exterior. Climate. For extreme weather conditions, prioritize insulation, fiberglass or composite materials. Weight. If towing with a smaller vehicle, lightweight options like aluminum or composite are better. Budget. Aluminum exteriors are budget-friendly, while fiberglass or full-body paint is ideal for those prioritizing durability and style. Maintenance. Fiberglass requires waxing, while aluminum needs rust prevention. Molded fiberglass shells are durable, but need special care for repairs. By exploring these exterior types and their examples, you can align your choice with your priorities, lifestyle, and budget. The exterior is your first line of defense against the elements and the first impression you'll make at every campground. Let's get rolling.